Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see favorites video on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on profile at the right bottom corner, and you need to click on three bars, and then you need to click on settings and privacy. So you can see that there is no option here, and let's go back and then click on creator tools. So you can see that there is also an option here. So you simply need to see that with the Instagram logo there is an badge icon. Click on that, so you can find all your favorites video here and you can easily watch your favorite videos here. So by following these steps you can easily find your favorites videos on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.